We'll start creating simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript website. So this you can share this website on your birthday or her birthday or anniversary or any other special date. So there are two secret methods to pass before moving into the home page. So first I'm going to select the anniversary date. You can change this into birthday or any other date. For example, for this one I put anniversary date as November 30. So you can share this information when you share the website URL. Right. So after clicking the next, it will ask the secret animal. If I click lion, it will say this is not the correct one. But when I select fox on that time, it will navigate into the website. So this is a basic one. Here it will show the her birthday date, then not anniversary date and remaining number of days and kind of things. Then his birthday remaining time and how many days you two are together, right, from the start date. And today is her birthday, because of that it will show the message here. Otherwise it will show message in these two also, depend on the particular date. So because today is her birthday, there will be a special message also. So this will only show on the birthday date only. After that I have added the rotating gallery, so we can change this image. So some of favorite image I added into one folder and it will show that here. Then after you can add your memories, right? So from start to finish, right? So I have added maximum 3 image, but you can add image as many as you want. Then I have categorized here depend on the month. You can also categorize depend on the month. Right, so this is the simple website, and also we can see what are these image and kind of things we can do. Okay, so we will start with the project. Okay, so I create the folder with the name birthday surprise. You can use any name for your folder. So folder structure will be something like this. I'm going to create two folders. So one with the name imgs. Inside this folder I'm going to add the rotating gallery image. Then we will create another folder with the name, so not here, I'm going to create another folder here with the name photos. So inside this photos folder I'm going to add photos based on the month. For that we are going to create again multiple folders. Okay, so then we will create three files. One will be index.html for the HTML content. There will be another file style.css and script.js for the JavaScript. Right, so first I'm going to create the home page basic thing, and then after we will create the CSS for that part. And also I'm going to copy some image into these two folders. You can take your favorite image and then after you can copy into these two folders. So I will do that one now. Right, so I have copied some image into this folder. You can see, you can replace this with your actual image. Then after I have created the folder for each and every month, because we are going to use this URL. Then after you can add your photos based on your particular month. Right, now let's start with the HTML content. So I will zoom little bit and I close the Explorer view, and we will generate that means we'll type the default code. If you want, you can generate in VS Code by typing asterisk and plus tab key. It will generate the default structure. So I'm going to name this as a Chris and Jane, for example. Names will be these two, and here we will link our CSS and JavaScript, right? So style sheet href will be style.css. Then after I'm going to link JavaScript at the end of the HTML content. Right, now inside body section I'm going to create one header element. So we will use this name with the happy moments, a surprise. This will be a surprise for her. Okay, after that I'm going to add another division here with the class name. We'll use sub category. Then you can add your name. Right, so now we have these two content. We'll see this in the live server. Right, now you can see we have live server, and you can see we have these two things. Next I'm going to add some style for this one, because by default I'm going to create by default style, so we can use style.css file for that one. We'll create some road style. For the background color I'm going to use FFF0F6 color. Then I'm going to use card with the color code FFF white. This will be FF6B 8A. This will be right. So now I have added 4 colors into the root directory. Then now I am going to set the box sizing in the border box. Right, for the body section we will send the font family into inter. If it is not available, it will use impact kind of things it will use. So that's not the matter, right? You can change font family based on your requirement. Then by default margin will be 0. Then after background color will be linear gradient. Under data directory color will be background. Right. So let's save this one, and you can see some things are changed. So okay, so for the font color I'm going to use system UI. Not this one. Right, so we got this one. Then after inside header section I'm going to add some style. Before that we'll set the font color. By default it will be 222. For the header element, padding will be 28px and text align will be center. Then after we had h1 tag. So with the happy moments as a price, I'm going to set margin into 0, and we'll set font size into 28px. And then after finally we have subclass for the Christian Jane text. For that one I'm going to use color as a okay, so that's fine. Now we have this default content. In the next video we will move into the countdown part, right? So here we have created basic style, then not index.html page. We haven't created any script, but we have created the folder structure, right? So folder structure is something like this, right? You can create this basic thing, then not you can join with the next video.